Pause for a second. Did you see the new Revuelto SV yesterday? So Lamborghini did it. After just 3 years or 4 years of launching the first Lamborghini Revuelto, they showed us what the next Superveloce is gonna look like. Or is it? Actually, what we saw so far was a camouflaged version, but we can pretty nicely see already that there's a revised bumper and also a rear wing at the back. I think I like it. The front bumper gives me really the vibes of the Gallardo 3rd gen facelift a little bit. Some people say it looks like the Huracan Evo, but definitely this design is really suitable for the Revuelto. So you know what? The first thing that I thought was, oh, we definitely need to make this kit. Sure, DMC, we have our own designs. We already made 3 different versions. But if history taught me one lesson is that you guys really love the OEM SV kits. Starting from the Lamborghini Murcielago over the Aventador, we always had some customers that really loved buying the SV body kits and preferred these to having some aftermarket DMC designs, which is okay. I love them too. So let's start with the front bumper and the rear wing, or actually let's be more specific. Let's make that rear wing first. I do see here that it has a new base spoiler as well. It seems to be that on these images that the base wing has some holes. Probably for aero ventilation. The rear wing is quite nice as well. It actually looks a little bit similar like our Integrale wing. So we'll get on that first. The bumper is no problem as well, because we already have the front bumper 3D scan. So we were already putting a heavy focus on making a phenomenal bumper, but I do think this one will be more popular. So my colleagues are now 100% on this one. And wouldn't that be nice if DMC would launch this Revuelto SV kit before Lamborghini does? And then as another cherry on the cake, wouldn't it be nice if we launch a Revuelto convertible SV before Lamborghini does? I remember Lamborghini never did it with the Murcielago, so that's what we did back in the time. We had the only Murcielago SV cabriolet convertible. That was really fun. So I think in the next 3-4 days we're going to work on the 3D design, and then I'll come back with another update next week, show you what the 3D files look like before we go into production. And if anybody can't wait, pre-orders for this are open right now. Anybody else, you're so welcome to follow my journey, and I'm glad for everybody that subscribes to the channel for updates. Thank you so much for watching the DMC Life.